So hi guys, how's it going? In today's video, we're gonna do a maintenance video on the BMW 128i. So now let's get started. So the engine bay is really filthy. So we're gonna make this engine look brand new again. Also, I'm gonna clean the air filter on this so we can gain more performance because now it's a bit clogged because of the dirt. So I'm gonna show you how to clean that and make sure it performs like new again. And after that, this engine bay will look like brand new again. So to degrease the engine, I'm gonna use this gunk engine cleaner and degreaser. Then after that, we're gonna put the Armor All Ultra Shine to make the engine nice and shiny. And to clean the air filter of the engine air filter, I'm gonna use the K&N recharger kit to degrease it, and if it needs to be oiled, we're gonna oil the filter also, because this comes with the oil spray. So first we're gonna use the engine degreaser on the hood. I'm gonna spray all over the hood, and then after that I'm gonna use the brush to agitate the dirt, so make sure the dirt will come off. So after that, we're gonna use the pressure washer to wash it off. So now it's time to wash the engine bay, but I'm gonna cover up this air filter. Even though we're still gonna wash it, I don't want to get it too wet, so I'm just gonna put a plastic bag on it. Spray the whole engine with the engine degreaser. It's better to wash your engine outdoors, so because of the smell of the chemical, you don't breathe it inside the garage or something. Then yes, use the brush to agitate everything. So now it's time to rinse it. So after that, we're gonna dry with the compressed air. Look how dirty that is. It's almost clogged. So I have the K&N air filter cleaner kit. I'm gonna spray with a degreaser. Then we're gonna let it soak. So we're gonna let it soak for a bit and then we're gonna rinse it after. All the dirt there. So you're pushing the water from the inside out so we can push the dirt out. So remember that if you try to clean your air filter, so try to rinse it from the inside out. So after this we should get a better performance by then. So this is the perfect time to dry this because it's too sunny outside. So we're gonna let it dry naturally from the sun. So now the air filter is dry, you can install it back. So guys, I have some mod update for you guys. I just received this big box for the 128i. So this one's gonna be on the next video. So if you want to find out what it is, you better click the subscribe, hit the bell, so you don't miss on anything that I release on the video. So guys, I hope you enjoyed that video. If you do, please give this video a like. Also, don't forget to subscribe. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.